Hello, my name is Jennifer Pierce, and I appreciate you taking the time to listen to why I feel that cross training is very important here at Ecosystem. Now, when I say cross training, what are you thinking? Not this cross training. I promise you that I couldn't do that if you paid me $1 million an hour. That is true. The cross training I am speaking of is best said by Lavoie. It helps employees understand other jobs, allowing them to better appreciate the difficulties and demands of their coworkers. Promoting teamwork. That's what we're here for at Ecosystems. That is what we want. Respecting other positions. Again, part of it. Increases empathy and promotes teamwork. Cross-trained staffers get a better appreciation of the difficulties and limitations of their colleagues' jobs. This is very true going all around for every position, no matter what your position is. Now, it was said 54% that have been cross-trained found it beneficial. Sorry about that right there. Not used to speaking in, but I do find that number could actually be increased. I feel like in a position where we're in here at Ecosystems, we could make that 80 to 90% because of the different positions that we have here. We're 26%, okay, less efficient. I feel like that's more for smaller businesses. I don't see how anybody that's learning could be less efficient, but that is just me. And 9%, 11%, they didn't do it very much, so we don't know. Now, what I would love to see is us taking a poll beforehand and afterhand to see where we stand personally as a company. This is where we are. We have to work together. By us learning our different departments, we are learning. We're always learning. And this makes everything better for all of us. Okay, if you get a phone call and you don't know where to send it necessarily because it's an interesting phone call, what do? You put them on hold. You contact somebody to see if they do this position. You don't know. This way, we have a better knowledge of instead of calling and finding out, we know what they're doing. We know exactly what they're doing. And we are, again, working together as a team. This is how we promote our business. This is how everybody functions. We promote, promote, promote. We get it right. We know. So, what do you want to do? Again, this is how we can further our career by learning other departments. Sorry. We learn other departments. We learn what everybody else is doing. So we can also find out what we want to do for ourselves. How do you know without learning the other departments? If you think one department does this and then you realize, oh, this is interesting, I would like to learn this more. Maybe that would be a department that you would be interested in working in or helping in when needed. The benefits are amazing. I promise you this. So, this is me. In real life, I became who I am by learning different positions in different businesses. I have worked in small businesses that are two or three people, excuse me, and I've worked in corporations that have 600 people plus in a building, not counting the other, buildings. But I became a trainer in real life because I love to learn everything. I did not like sitting behind the desk and saying, oh, okay, not my job, let me move this on. No, I wanted to know what was going on. I did not like blind transferring people. I did not like not knowing how to educate our customer when we need to. This is very important. This is how we keep our customers by informing them. So this is why I feel that cross training is so important. I mean, for all of us, this is why, well, we're in school. And this is why we are educating ourselves in different aspects so we can all cross train and learn everything we possibly can. Thank you for hearing me out. I apologize. I'm not good at camera, but thank you.